Honey, it's a dog. It's got a fur coat on. Oh, it's getting thick. Hi, baby. Boy, it's really coming down. It loves it. Yeah. Ooh, it's enjoying it. Look at there. Oh, boy. That's pretty.
Have you seen Grandma's car?
No.
And it's so smooth down there.
It is thick. We got to enjoy it. I'm in my house, you see. We got to enjoy this before the rain in my eyes. Yeah, I see it.
It's so smooth.
I know that. You're going to be on my Facebook, kiddo. That dog was having a really good time. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. What is it, a snow angel? Oh, yeah, that's cute, honey.